Oops. I just tear down my super Takumar 1.450 millimeters, the old one. It's not a new one, yeah. And basically, I don't want to tear down again. So I want to show you guys how to. Yeah, I should put it back, but I'm trying to tell you guys how to tear down this one, but yeah. Because there are something inside of my lens, so that is why I want to tear down. And that is in the key point, I think, of this camera. And there are two, sorry, I have no tripod, so I have to put my camera down or use one hand to hold my camera. And here are two sides of the edge. I think if you have some tools, you can screw in and open this side, but I don't have. And there are some screws, very small, but I don't know what they are doing for. So if you want to clean this lens, you don't need to tear down these screws. Yeah, only thing you need to do just screw this side, as I can show you. Then you can open that. But just to clean that, so I don't want to clean that again. Yeah, I don't need to do that actually. Yeah, it's clear now. And this pin is useful to change your, I don't know how to say that, sorry. I'm trying to focus on the things. Cause when I saying something, I have to looking for this lens. I can't looking for my camera. So sorry if I can't focus on the things I show you. I'm sorry about that. Screw it back, and here's the key point of the element of the lens. Yep. And here's the, what should I say, cover? I don't know, sorry, my first language is not English, but I'm trying to do my best. And here's one thing you have to focus, is these two tiny things. And if you tear down your camera, you have to put this pin in two of this side. Otherwise, it doesn't work anymore. If you change this one to 1.4 to 16, it doesn't work. And now I have to put it back. Yeah. I forgot to clean that. Yeah. This one since is one tiny pin in the two of middle of this one. A little bit hard to use one hand. Sorry, I have to use my two hands. Yep, put it inside and screw in this one. If it doesn't work, which means you don't put that on the correct position. And if you put in the correct position, you will find that when you change to 16, this one changes to 16, and it doesn't close as before. You have to change a little bit of this, like that. Can you see that? If I just screw this side, What temperature too high while recording this video? And another thing is there are 3 screws. You have to put in this left side. Oops, sorry. Can you guys see that? On the left side. On the left side, sorry, this time is focused. And yeah, you have to just a little bit. Why when I recording this video, my camera temperature is so high? I don't know. Let me say as fast as I can. Put this 3 screw on the left side, and you have to adjust a little bit, cause when you put the screw inside, you will change this position, and you have to find the correct position. Then you have to put this cover on the top. This cover should there are 2 holes. You have to put on the right holes with these 3 small things. And how did I put this down? This one just scrolling. How did I do that? I put some I don't know how to say it. Tape. I don't know. Here. And make the force and screw on the right side. Yep, I think that's it. Oh man. I hope it can help you. That's it.